In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a formula in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself typing the same calculation again and again, this is going to save you a ton of time. We'll use the exact same formula you've already written and extend it across your data in seconds, without adding any extra steps or complicated tools. First, make sure your formula is working in the cell where you want to start. For example, maybe you calculated a total in the first row of a column. Click that cell once so it's selected. Now look for the tiny blue square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is the fill handle. Move your mouse directly over that little square and double-click. Google Sheets instantly copies your formula all the way down, stopping at the last row where it sees adjacent data next to your column. If it doesn't go as far as you expect, check the column beside your formula. The autofill uses nearby data to know where to stop, so blank gaps or empty rows can limit how far it fills. You're not changing the formula itself. Sheets is simply applying the same pattern row by row, adjusting references as it goes. If you prefer using the keyboard, there's an equally fast method. Start by selecting the cell with your formula, plus the empty cells you want to fill below it or to the right. Then press Ctrl+T to fill down, or Ctrl+R to fill right. On a Mac keyboard, use Command instead of Control. This approach is perfect when you know exactly how far you want the formula to extend, even if there are blank rows or columns nearby. It fills only the range you selected, so you stay in complete control of where the formula goes. A quick tip on accuracy: if your formula references a fixed value, like a tax rate or a header cell, consider locking that reference with $signs so it doesn't shift as it fills. You can always undo with Ctrl+Z if the result isn't what you expected, and then adjust your references before trying again. After filling, give the new cells a quick glance to confirm the results match your pattern. That's it. Use the blue fill handle and double-click to copy a formula down to the end of your data, or select a range and press Ctrl+D. or Ctrl++R to fill exactly where you want. And just like that. Simple, fast, and easy.